So guys, this is how this is gonna look. So you can see I have used the spikes over here, so like the dogs will not climb, and I have added spikes at the bottom, like all the side, so the dogs will not enter inside and cut any of the other things. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rabilash back, and today I have bought a product for my car, which is Tata Tiago, wherein you can see this is a cotton one, which is of my old car, which was Alto. I've made some jugaad, made some alteration. I'm using this, and where this is a rainy season, and like there are like few dogs. If you have seen my other video, I have adopted 2 street dogs. So every time I see those dogs climb on my car, and like it's damaging my car, wherein I see too many scratches and I see dents on my car top. So I wanted a good car cover. Okay, this is already solving the purpose, and however I wanted something waterproof, wherein I can put it on my car, and anytime I want to go out, I want to take my car, I can directly take the cover out and just do a normal wiping like thing, and then use it. Because using this, I see there's too much of dust deposit when rain comes and rain stops, so I see the stains over there. So I'm gonna show you after removing this how the stain gonna look. That's the reason I bought this, and I bought this from Shivaji Nagar. So this is how the package gonna look. So he quoted me 3,500. After bargaining, I got this for 2,000 rupees. So this is of HXXL, where you can use it for Punto, Polo, Figo, old Jazz, and old i20, Tata, Bolt, and Tiago. So this is with mirror. So let me open and show you how this gonna look. So this is of army military pattern, and this is little heavier compared to the other things. So the brand says High Life body cover. This is how it's gonna look, and this comes with the clip also from the bottom, where you can put the cover and add the clip. And if I want to show you, so this is of the outer material, and inner material is of a rubberish thing. I see there is a like a rubber coating, which is a water resistance, which prevents water or dust getting inside. So this one is just a cover to just avoid the scratch and the dog climbing thing. I have added this, so I was just waiting for the lockdown to get over so I can buy one. So I bought this. So I'm gonna keep this here somewhere, and I bought this spikes, wherein by putting this like other what do you say, the birds or the dogs don't climb it. By looking at this, they think that there is some like what do you say, a barrier, and then they don't gonna climb. So I bought this. I'm gonna like use this like over here, and I'm gonna take it out. So this you can use it for the bird thing also, wherein we have like pigeons and other things coming over there inside near our terrace. So usually they use for that purpose, so even I bought for that mainly. And let's open this cover and show you the stains and everything over there. So I'm gonna take out the car cover and show you. So guys, we're gonna take this cover. My wife gonna help me in taking this, because she was helping me in recording, and we're gonna take this and show you the stains and everything. ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋಣ ಹೈಟ್ This is the heavier one, and let me show you what happens when I use a cotton one. So you can see here, this kind of dust stain, and actually I have taken the car outside, I have washed it, like I just wiped it once, so there is very less dust deposit. So you can see the dust deposit will be there. So when you use a waterproof one, this deposit will be avoided. So if you can see, like there are like so many dents over here. This is all because of my adopted street dog. Okay, so by using the new cover, these kind of dust and everything will be avoided. So I'm gonna just put the cover now, and later I'm gonna take the cover back and wash it, and then again I'm gonna put the cover back. So this is how this is gonna look, as this is not specifically designed for one particular model. It says this is for like Polo, Figo, i20, Bolt and Tata Tiago. That is why this looks little bulkier, which looks little oversized. But my purpose was to cover the entire car, so the dust or anything shouldn't enter inside. So my purpose is solved, and this is how this is gonna look, guys. So you have this mirror slot over here. Okay. This you can see, this is for the mirror. You have to fold the mirror, you have to close the mirror, only then this will be fitted over here. So this part is for mirror, and you can see there's just a 5 to 6 inch gap at the front. So I'm gonna tuck it with the dicky so it will not fall down. So this is this kind of cover which I was looking for. So finally my purpose is solved. So I just wanted to make a small video and show you this. So if you think if there is something even better than this, please let me know in the comment section, because as I said, I don't have a parking thing, so I want maximum cover or like maximum protection for my car. So I have plans of building 2 sheds over here. So meanwhile I want to protect my car. So that's it, guys. It was a small simple video, and thank you so much, Hima, for helping me in making video. And that's it for now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe my channel, and let me know your feedback and suggestion in the comment section, guys. So please let me know if I have to like improve something or do better. I'll definitely take your feedback and I'll work on that. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.